Right now, I am thrilled to show you something that I feel has revolutionized the way I focus in class, journal about my day, or even just get my thoughts on a page. Hi, my name is Ben Sachs, and right now, in less than 4 minutes, I am going to show you by sketching what I say, how you can do the same easy skill, why it will be helpful for you, and what you need, and even some basic tips to do it well. Like any notes you're taking, it needs a title. Have fun with it. Draw the face of the person speaking, or let your letters or the scene show what is being talked about. Some may say that this idea is hard to organize. It's helpful to think through how you're going to organize your notes, so try to see different things I do to group my ideas together. So to put sketchnoting in a brief summary, it takes what you hear, thinking about the big concept, and letting your hands explain it by creating images. All you need to do is get a pen, not a pencil, and a piece of paper. There are several reasons why sketchnoting is good, but let me tell you just 4 reasons. Mike Rohde, author of the book Sketchnotes, says from research show that sketchnoting does. First of all, it's proven that by drawing, you can better understand the big picture, understanding the concept as a whole. Now, second, the images work better to help your mind remember big points. And thirdly, you can go back over your drawings and add to them, thus spending more time on complex topics and being able to think through them. Lastly, your drawings reflect you. No one else's notes will look the same as yours. This is a way to personalize what you're doing. Now, if you like to keep your notes saved in a computer, that's no problem. Just take a picture of your work, email it to yourself, and voila, you can organize or save your sketch notes however you want. Now, the biggest reason I hear from someone shying away from the sketch notes is that they cannot draw. It's intimidating to try to create because what if it looks stupid? Well, I hear you. So this is what you have to remember. Every image uses 5 shapes: a square, triangle, a circle, line, and a dot. If you can draw these, you can draw. You don't have to be an artist to take notes. Draw stick figures, keep it simple. But once you start drawing your basic images, you can start using them as drawing tacks. Little drawings you can throw in anywhere that will help you easily sum up what you need to remember. Here are some of my own. I draw a ship when there is something I know I can glance over. That ship has sailed, if it were. When a professor goes on with a rabbit trail, I draw a bunny jumping in a hole. When there is a topic that is pretty heavy that I want to think about later or I want to ask about, I draw an anchor. I draw a key next to the key concepts, and one more thing is I use a magic ball to help me remember a future event. There are so many to use. So, I mentioned using a pen earlier. There is no room or time for perfection. If you mess up on a drawing, don't cross it out. Pick an object you find easy to draw and draw it next to it. Here's the balloon I like to use for such an occasion. So this is my brief summary. And now it's your turn. Here at the Cove, we would love to see what you have done. Think of our social media as your parents' refrigerator. Post some pictures of your sketch notes on our Facebook or Twitter. Who knows, you may win something. I hope to hear from you soon.